Yes. Yes. I'll tell you, you'll give me a son.
I open a fortune cookie. It says, "You get some soon."
Already give me dollar. Matchmaker say you are good match. You give me son. You give me son now.
So after a long career in the jousting circuit, the Chihuahua becomes and most flavorful. Your baking time can be cut in half.
First, you gotta pull out all the innards, though. Oh, look, a treat.
That's it. You've looked at me wrong for the last time, Anter.
Coming at ya.
Switch.
Oh, Jebediah, doing killing with you is always so much fun.
I love it too, Obadiah.
You might get 20 feet of this here garden tilled by the end of the day.
I would love it.
Yeah, get all those weeds out, and if you find any rocks, throw them at those people on the other side.
The ones driving the motor vehicles.
Is the joint?
Yeah, this is it. Let's go.
Right here, the kosher shop. Yeah, the kosher meat. That's what we want. We need that meat right now, sir.
Switch.
I think I'm pregnant.
Again? 2 times? That's not okay! I can't find the recipe. What do you got?
Balto, Beethoven, last.
Oh! Here's the twist. I've got Toto. Oh, Toto.
Gravitational pull.
We're gonna be at this for another light here.
Switch.
Now those power lines there, Obadiah. We have to take them out.
Let's take him out. I got myself a regular axe because all those motor vehicle ones, or chainsaws as they call it, no good.
That's right.
Let's go.
That's it.
Switch.
You ain't talking. Well, I got something that the Jewish mafia can't stand. A BLT.